Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey. I recently went to the thrift store with the kiddos and I ended up finding a few mirrors. This is one of them and I really want to make it a little forest or cottage core type mirror with a tiny little nest at the bottom. The first layer that I added on is gesso. It is our primer base. And then I'm going to be painting it all black with acrylic paint. I dug into my stash of fake foliage and it'll make it look really pretty, but save me a lot of sanity. After I picked out which pieces I wanted to use, I'm going to go ahead and glue them into place with the hot glue gun. As far as the foliage goes, I'm going to try and keep everything as symmetrical as possible. Don't be afraid to alter your pieces by cutting them or trimming them wherever you see fit. I'm really liking the composition of all of these pieces. We'll go ahead and touch it up with some acrylic paint. From there, I will go ahead and make all of the mushrooms with foam clay by hand. Unlike our fake plants, our mushrooms are going to be more asymmetrical and just sporadically placed throughout. Leaving the next step for primer with gesso, paint with acrylic, and sealing with UV resin. This is the most tedious part of the entire project, so we will work as late as we can and hit it again in the morning. The moss will be the final layer of additions before we clean it up and photograph it for its reveal. Speaking of which, here it is. As always, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate your guys' support. If you would like to check out more content, we do have a Patreon page listed below. And if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!